Welcome to Agal Classroom. Today in this session, we are going to see about thermodynamics, part 2. Thermodynamic process. A process by which one or more parameters of thermodynamic system undergoes a change is called thermodynamic process or thermodynamic change. The parameters involved in thermodynamic process are pressure, volume and temperature. Isothermal process. The process in which change in pressure and volume takes place at constant temperature is known as isothermal process. This PV graph shows that change in pressure and there is a change in volume. The temperature is kept as a constant. Properties of isothermal process. The temperature T of the system is constant. The equation for the state PV is equal to constant, PV equal to nRT. The work done by n moles of ideal gas in an isothermal expansion from volume V1 to V2 at a temperature T is given by W is equal to nRT ln V2 by V1. Here PV is equal to constant for isothermal process. Therefore P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Therefore P1 by P2 is equal to V2 by V1. The change in internal energy is 0. For isothermal process del U equal to 0. The heat supplied to the gas is equal to the work done by the gas. Isobaric process. The process in which change in volume and temperature takes place at constant pressure. This graph, PV graph, shows the isobaric process where P is kept constant and volume and temperature is changing. Now let's find various thermodynamic quantities for isobaric process where del U is equal to N into F by 2 R into del T, where del U is change in internal energy, N is the number of moles and F is the degree of freedom, R is a gas constant and del T equal to change in temperature. Change in internal energy during the isobaric process is given by del U equal to P into del V, where P into V2 minus V1, P into V2 minus P into V1. So del W is equal to P into V2 minus P into V1. In another way we can write, we know that PV equal to nRT. Therefore, del W is equal to nRT2 minus nRT1. Substituting the values of PV from the equation W equal to nR into del T. So work done in an isobaric process is given by del Q from first law of thermodynamics. Del U is equal to del U plus del W. Del Q is equal to N into F by 2 R into del T plus N into R into del T. Isochoric process. The process in which change in pressure and temperature takes place in such a way that volume of a system remains constant. This is the PV graph for isochoric process. So now let's find various thermodynamic quantities for isochoric process. Del U equal to N into F by 2 R into del T, where del U is the change in internal energy, N is the number of moles, F is the degree of freedom, R is a gas constant and del T is the change in temperature. Change in internal energy during an isochoric process is given by del W is equal to P into del V. Change in volume is 0, so del V equal to 0. Therefore, del W is also equal to 0 for isochoric process. So, the work done in the isochoric process is 0. So, for first law of thermodynamics, del Q is equal to del U plus del W. Therefore, del W equal to 0. So del Q equal to del W for isochoric process. In another way, we can say del Q is equal to N into F by 2 into R into del T. This indicates that heat absorbed by the system is completely used in changing the internal energy. Next is adiabatic process. The process in which change in pressure and volume and temperature takes place without any heat entering or leaving the system. This is known as adiabatic process. So for adiabatic process, Q equal to 0. The heat supplied to the system is 0, that is del Q equal to 0. The equation of the state is P into V power Y equal to constant. The work done by n number of moles of ideal gas in an adiabatic process expansion from a volume V1 to V2 at temperature T is given by W is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by Y minus 1, where Y is adiabatic constant. By first law of thermodynamics, del U is equal to minus del W. The temperature of a gas decreases when del U is less than 0 if work done by the gas. This graph, PV graph, shows that different process for isochoric process and adiabatic process, isothermal process and isobaric process. In isobaric process, pressure is constant. In isothermal process, temperature is constant. In isochoric process, volume is kept constant. Quasi-static process. The process in which change in any of these parameters takes place at such a slow speed that the value of P, V and T can be taken to be practically a constant. Here, the process path is continuous line only if it is a quasi-static process. If it is mentioned in a dashed line, then it is a non-quasi-static process. Cyclic process. The process in which the system comes back to its initial state after undergoes a series of change. So here the system, this shows the PV graph. From a state 1 to 2 it is changing, and then 2 to 1 it has come back to its original state. This is known as cyclic process. Reversible process. Process during which the system always departs infinitely from a state of equilibrium. That is, its direction can be reversed at any momentum. This PV graph shows that it takes the path from A to B in forward path, and in the same way B to A in the opposite direction in the same path. That is reversible process. Thanks for watching. If you like it, comment, share, subscribe the AGL Classroom. Continue watching.